There are a number of benefits of using compressed air over other forms of energy. Some of the biggest factors include: compressed air energy is clean. Leaking air doesn't pollute the environment in which it sits, as a hydraulic system would. Oil being sprayed at high pressure means a big cleanup and has cost implications, securing drains, etc. It doesn't arc and can work in different pressures and temperatures and weather conditions. Most facilities have a compressed air capability, which is installed along with other utilities at the time of construction. Compressed air can be controlled in two ways: pressure and flow, and if it's done correctly, without affecting one another. Once the ring main has been installed, the relative cost of peripheral components is low, especially when compared to hydraulic and electric alternatives. Hydraulic systems need to be closed, with pipes returning to where they started. Overall, the cost can be 3 times that of a pneumatic system. Electrical systems can be even more complex, sometimes costing 10 times that of a pneumatic system. Remember to treat it with respect though. Even at 2 bar or 30 psi, it can break skin and cause an embolism.